Hey guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome, and it would mean the world to me if you join the Cam fam by hitting that little old subscribe button down below. So I'm feeling a lot better today, but it's been a really rough week because of everything that's going on. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments how you guys are coping with this whole situation that we're all going through right now. I just had a really bad week. Like I told you in my last video, I've been having really bad anxiety. And I guess because I was trying to breathe more than normal or something, made myself super dizzy or something. I don't know. So it's been a really bad week where I've just had anxiety and dizziness and stuff. And I feel like there's two camps of people right now. The ones that are being super productive and, doing their makeup every day and stuff like that. And the people that are just kind of trying to survive this and not wearing makeup. And I'm in that camp right now. But I am feeling a lot better recently, so I'm hoping to become more productive through all of this. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys have been doing, what's been working for you to get you through this. But today I wanted to share something that I have been doing because it's been calming me and relaxing me a lot. And I wanted to share it with you guys because I figured that if you're home and you have some of these products or something like these products, that you may want to do this yourself. So basically this is going to be a little mini at-home facial. It's by no means an everyday skincare routine or something. My skin definitely couldn't handle this type of exfoliation and whatever on a daily basis. For my skin type, which I have very sensitive combination skin that's rosacea prone, so I would probably do this twice a week max, but usually more once a week. But I have been masking and meditating every single day, so I've been seeing a lot of improvements in my skin. But this is a very big routine that I've been doing a couple times a week. So yeah, I just figured I'd share it with you guys and maybe give you an idea of how to treat yourself while you're at home. Alrighty, so let's get started. Okay, so I don't know how I'm gonna logistically do this. I guess apply stuff and then go wash it off in the bathroom because obviously I don't have a sink here. But the first thing that I'm gonna do is cleanse my skin. So the first product I'm using is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and this is just a really good all-purpose cleanser. I feel like it does a really good job of removing makeup residue after I've used my makeup remover. And yeah, it just leaves my skin feeling clean but not stripped at all. I just like to massage this in for a minute, and I'm just gonna go rinse this off. So while my skin is still wet from rinsing off the cleanser, I'm gonna go into my next step, which is physical exfoliation. And for that, I'm using my favorite, the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. And so I have a little sample size of this because a little goes a long way. And I love this one because it's so pepperminty and refreshing, and it really does do a great job of exfoliating your face, but it doesn't make it red or anything. It's not like that St. Ives awful stuff that we used to put on our face in high school. It's actually very refined. They're super tiny particles, and they just ever so gently resurface your skin. And I'm also going to exfoliate my lips with this. And I have very red sensitive skin, and this never makes my skin feel bad or anything. Actually when I rinse it off, I feel like it almost makes the redness go away. So now I'm gonna go and rinse this. Okay, so now that I've rinsed that off as well, I'm gonna go in with toner. So I love the toners by CosRx. I think that's how you say it. And this is the 2-in-1 Poreless Power Liquid. And so this has BHA tannins in it, and it really does do a good job of minimizing your pores and stuff like that. So I'm just taking some on a cotton pad and I'm gonna rub it on my face. So next up is my favorite part, which is the mask. And I'm actually going to be using a gold mask that I bought on Amazon. These are actually really inexpensive. I'm going to link them down below in the description box for you guys because they have some really good ingredients: collagen, glycerin, vitamin E, pearl powder, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. So they've got really good skincare ingredients. And I actually like to use these like twice. So I'll take it out of the package, put it on. And so after I use it the first time, I put it in a little plastic bag and then keep it in the fridge. And there's like also like a lot of liquid floating around in these packages. So I'll just like pour it into the baggie too. So that way there's like some of the liquid in it. So now I'm gonna go put this on for 10 to 15 minutes and do some meditation. So I'm gonna link what I'm listening to while I mask down below for you guys. If you guys just want some soothing, calming music to listen to. So this feels super nice and refreshing because it is like straight from the fridge. Okay, I look like I'm gonna give you guys nightmares. And I'll see you guys in 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so now I'm gonna remove this. And my skin just feels like so soothed right now, especially after that manual exfoliation. So the next thing I'm gonna go in with is a serum. And I want to use this specific one because it's very hydrating and very soothing. It's got colloidal oatmeal in it. So if your skin is feeling at all irritated, this is going to take care of that. And I'm actually doing this before my next step as a buffer because I'm about to go in with a pretty strong acid. And because I have sensitive skin, I like to do this sometimes to kind of like dilute the product a little bit and not have like the chemical exfoliator be so strong on my skin. So I recommend doing this if you have a product that's like a really strong chemical exfoliator that you want to use, but it's a little too strong and stingy for your skin, then definitely put something on as a buffer underneath, like a hyaluronic acid serum, and it's going to lessen the effects of it and help moisturize your skin. So now I'm going to go in with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. And this has hyaluronic acid, a bunch of antioxidants, and the colloidal oatmeal like I talked about. And it's like a gel consistency. So I'm just gonna rub that in all over. And so now I'm gonna go in with my overnight glowy exfoliator. So I do recommend doing this at night because you don't wanna be really putting makeup or sunscreen on over this. You want all of these really good skincare ingredients to soak in overnight. And so now I'll be using the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Serum. And I like to give it a good shake before I use it. Now I'm just going to rub it in and make sure to avoid your eye and lip area. And this may sting a little bit, but the serum that I used before it definitely helps lessen that. And so I'm going to let all of that sink in for a couple minutes. And so next I'm going to apply the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And so this has probiotics in it and it's super soothing. And it's a mask that you just like apply and leave on overnight. And those are honestly my favorites because you just get to leave them on so long and see all of the results from them. And now we can't forget about lips, and mine are not letting me forget about them. They're so chapped and like itchy right now because I have such low humidity in my room. So I'm gonna treat them with some lip balm, and I'm using the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Lip Therapy. Again, this also has the colloidal oatmeal in it, so if your lips are like chapped and itchy, this is really gonna help with that. And it's not sticky or oily or anything, and it's got this like refreshing mintiness to it too. And so that concludes today's little at-home mini facial. And if you guys have some free time, I definitely recommend doing something like this for yourself to help de-stress, to help soothe your skin. And I really hope that you're all staying safe and healthy. So if you liked this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. And as always, I'm gonna leave you guys with a couple more videos by me to check out. And then click on my face to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!